Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel QA Pulse, where quality meets precision. Today, I will talk about the basic difference between smoke and sanity testing through bake cake analogy. Picture yourself baking a cake. What are the basic checks you will perform? Is the cake baked correctly? Did it rise as expected? Is it firm enough to stay intact? Smoke testing is similar to quick basic check to ensure the cake is edible and hasn't collapsed. This is similar to smoke testing in software, where testers perform basic checks to ensure that the core functionality such as logging in, accessing the main screen, and navigating are functioning correctly before proceeding to more in-depth testing. Now you want to add icing on the cake and make it a little bit colorful. So what will you check, guys? If the colors turned out as expected, if the icing has the right texture and sets well to the cake. So sanity testing is when you focus on specific detailed checks related to recent changes or fixes. Similarly, in software, sanity testing checks if a specific bug, fix, or new features works correctly after small changes without testing the whole application. So, smoke testing is like checking if the cake is generally edible after it's baked. And sanity testing is when you focus on the changes you have made. So, my dear friends, keep this cake analogy in your mind and you will never ever forget the difference between the two. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.